So here's the function, question 3, page 169, and it's f of x is 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 4 in the domain minus 2.5 to 2.5. Okay, so this one has decimals for you, which might make it a little bit more tricky. Okay, so take your time with this one, and again, always use your calculator. Okay, so in this case, we're going to go up in steps of 0.5. So I'm going to let x equal to minus 2.5, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1.5, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 0, x equal to plus 1, x equal to 1.5, x equal to 2, and x equal to 2.5. Okay, so I'm going to put in a few more points into it with the decimals. Okay, and so in this case here, if x is minus 2.5, 2 times minus 2.5 cubed plus minus 2.5 squared minus 8 times 2.5 minus 4. And use your calculator. There's no point trying to do it without it. So 2 brackets minus 2.5 cubed plus bracket minus 2.5 squared minus 8 bracket 2.5 minus 4 gives me an answer of minus 49. Now, that might look a bit big for you, but we'll go with it, okay? So 2 times minus 2.5 cubed minus 2.5 squared minus 8 times, that should be minus 8 times minus 2.5, which gives me minus 9. So minus 2.5 and minus 9. Okay, so just be careful on your calculator. So 2 times minus 2 cubed plus minus 2 squared minus 8 times minus 2 minus 4. So on your calculator, change the minus 2.5 to just minus 2. And equals. And we get 0. So minus 2, 0. So the next one, 2 times minus 1.5 cubed plus minus 1.5 squared minus 8 times minus 1.5 minus 4. And use your calculator again. Sorry, I just made a mistake there. And we get 3.5. So minus 1.5, 3.5. When x is minus 1, 2 times minus 1 cubed plus minus 1 squared minus 8 times minus 1 minus 4 gives me equal to 3. So minus 1, 3. 2 times 0 cubed plus 0 squared minus 8 times 0 minus 4 gives me minus 4. So 0 minus 4. 2 times 1 cubed plus 1 squared minus 8 times 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 9. So 1 minus 9. 2 times 1.5 cubed plus 1.5 squared minus 8 times 1.5 minus 4 gives me equal to minus 7. So 1.5 minus 7. 2 times 2 cubed plus 2 squared minus 8 times 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2 is 0. And finally 2 times 2.5 cubed plus 2.5 squared minus 8 times 2.5 minus 4 is equal to 13.5. So 2.5, 13.5. Now that question is messy because of the decimals, okay? So take your time, please. And so again, I'm going to draw this graph out for you. So somewhere in the middle, I'm going to put my x and my y axis. Okay, I need to get up as far as 13. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 on the y-axis. 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 8 minus 10 minus 12 minus 14. And on the y-axis or the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So in this case here, we have minus 2.5 down to minus 9. So minus 9 will be somewhere here. Okay, and 2.5 is in between minus 2 and minus 3. And then the next one is minus 2 is 0. Minus 1.5 up to 3.5, so somewhere here. Minus 1, 3, so slightly below. 0, minus 4, 1, minus 9, 1.5, minus 7, 2, 0, and 2.5 up to 13.5. So your graph goes up smoothly, turns around, back down, and back up again. So take your time, and that's the function f of x equals 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x minus 4. But you need to take your time and use a calculator. Okay? Take your time and use a calculator.